Greetings, my friends. Welcome to another fantastic hotel review. And this is the Springhill Suites in Burbank. Lovely lobby with a little shopping area. Let's check out the outdoor spaces. Expansive deck area with fire pit. Outdoor shower if you're going to go head over into the pool. In addition, the deck contains a couple barbecue grills. I didn't check on this, but I would assume that the front desk would have utensils for you to actually cook food here. If you're going to have an extended stay at the Springhill Suites in Burbank, that might be something to check out. Hot tub as well as the pool. Let's check out some of the amenities. Fitness center. Got your pretty standard stuff with weights, treadmills, towels, lots of wipes. Hotel also features a guest laundry. Looks like $3 a load. Heading back down to the lobby area. Where we will find a single restaurant/lounge on site. I did not partake in any food or drink here at the lounge, so I can't speak to the quality of it. So I will hedge and say your experience will vary. As for breakfast, pretty standard fare for breakfast. Cereals, milks, yogurts. The oatmeal and pre-packaged sandwiches in the steamers. Not so sure about that. Thankfully they had fruit. On the other side is the gluten next to the juice. Some muffins. And then your coffee and tea station. Heading into the room on the 4th floor. The room featured microwave, mini fridge, coffee tea service. And because the hotel is a suite hotel, you get a seating area with a desk, awkwardly placed TV, does have a large bathroom with walk-in shower. Standard US toilet. And down at the end there is a closet. If you're looking for dinner, right across the street is the Stage Restaurant. I highly recommend it.
I've had a lot of different steaks in my life. I've never actually had a steak come out on a molten hot stone like this. The steak was actually raw on top, but I flipped it to cook the top. But I've never had a steak like this. It's actually pretty cool. You kind of cut off a piece and you can cook it to your liking, which works for me because I like medium. If you like medium rare, it's probably a little more of a challenge for you, but it's a little chilly outside, and the stone is like, as I said, like 1,000,000 degrees. So yeah, it's a little warmer as well. Very good. Well, let's wrap up the Springhill Suites in Burbank, California. Overall, it's a great location. It is close to Universal City, close to the Griffith Observatory, which I didn't get to see because there is a concert tonight at the Hollywood Bowl
which by inference it is also very close to. Hotel amenities include things I've shown you, the pool, the grills. The rooms are very nice, all suites, Springhill Suites, so that would make sense. There is truth in advertising. There is a guest laundry. The pool area, frankly, could use a good cleaning. There's just bits and pieces of, old wrappers, bits of food here and there. So it could use a bit of a cleaning, but, that just means it's being well used. I think they are probably understaffed like everybody else is at this point. Rooms were not serviced every day. Not a surprise for California. Masks are not required in California, at least not here. I was at the La Brea Tar Pits, and there was one area that required masks, only one, which was weird. I had an odd call from the front desk asking me about my amenities being delivered. I didn't request any amenities. Apparently they were doing some sort of guest verification. I've never had that happen before. I texted them on the Marriott app and confirmed that it was them and not some sort of scam that I'm not aware of. So anyway, parking is in an underground parking structure. If you have a clean air vehicle, which I assume is an electric car, you get to park on the first level. The earth-killing, polluting other cars go down into the hole. Not a big deal. There's an elevator from the bottom level of the parking garage up to the main level. So anyway, the main inside areas are very nice and clean. The room is very nice. Pretty much I would stay here again. If you're coming to the Hollywood area and don't want to be in Hollywood itself, which I do not, this is a great. I've been pretty impressed with Burbank. First time I've actually stayed in Burbank. Driven through Hollywood a few times, and Hollywood itself is kind of gross, and I don't know that I would be there too late in the evening, but I am old and a fuddy-duddy, so that's just me. So regardless, I think that will wrap up the Springhill Suites, and I will give it a thumbs up. I would stay here again. Thanks for watching today. If you have any questions or comments, post those below, and I will be happy to respond. See ya.